You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Have you got everything sorted for the Tumble Sale?
Well, no. I mean, it's taking a long time. I don't know why.
Oh dear, maybe you should have a nap.
What? But I'm not sleepy. Now then, what's next? Oh, yes, pillows.
Oh, that looks soft and comfy.
Oh, yes. Oh, let's give it a little try.
Mr Tumble, wake up, Mr Tumble.
Hey, what?
You fell asleep. There's so much to do. Please try to stay awake.
Okay, right then. What's next? Aha! Books. Ooh.
Is that a storybook, Mr Tumble?
Oh, yes! Once upon a tumble time, there was a...
I hope it's not a bedtime storybook. You might fall asleep again.
Was it... And they lived happily ever after.
Wake up, Mr Tumble.
Hey! Sorry about that. In they go. There we are. Right then, what's next? Yes, of course. Toys.
Toys won't make you feel sleepy. What toys have you got?
Oh, look. Sheep. Nah. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why don't we use magic to pack the bags?
What? The magic? Oh, yes. That's a good idea. Hey. Oh, wow, look!
Mr Tumble, you've done it. You've sorted everything out for the Tumble Sale.
Oh, thanks.
You are funny, Mr Tumble.
I know.
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
please will you show us the sign for sleepy?
Oh, yes, of course. Sleepy. You sign. Sleepy. Oh, look. Sleepy.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. We'll see you soon for the spotty surprise.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Number Blocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.